This is HP, and we are going to set up Repl.it, an online code editor. Let's type in Repl.it. Press Sign Up, and sign up with Google, GitHub, or Facebook. If you have a link to a Repl.it template, you can go to that link and fork it so that you have a copy of your own. As you can see, we are on our own copy. This is the HTML file, which provides the bare bones of the website. This is the CSS file, which dictates color and positioning. JavaScript provides interactivity. You can press the Run button and open up your website in a new tab.